Thank you, listeners. We're back with you on the hotline. There's a feature I have to do inside banking with NCB. We still have a number of people in the yard, and we're going to try and get to them and give out the baskets as soon as possible. It's a special edition of Hotline for the Elderly, the Christmas edition. I'm so happy to be joined by Kerry-Ann McCourty Simmonds, Manager, Retail Banking Division with NCB. Hi, welcome to the hotline, Mrs. McCourty Simmonds.
Hi, Emily. How are you? Thank you very much for having me.
You're more than welcome. Great to have you. And I think the last time I spoke with one of your team members, I'm trying to remember his name, but he was betting on Argentina to win the World Cup.
I think that is Leon Drisdale from our Lindsay
branch. Drisdale, it is. And Drisdale tells me Messi for the World Cup. I'm laughing for him to scorn. Please to give Mr. Drisdale my sincerest apologies. And I'm so happy for Messi because I just love the historic moment and every accolades and so forth that he's got. So tell him Merry Christmas for me and congratulations.
I certainly will, Emily. I'm sorry you lost, but I'm happy my team member won, of course.
Yes, it's a brilliant World Cup and I can't complain with fair competition. So good. Tell me what we're talking about today, please.
So this morning, Emily will be talking about how you can use savings and certainly NCB savings accounts to help to achieve your goals, especially now that we're approaching the end of the year to start the new year 2023.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So go ahead and tell me how we can do that.
All right. So as we know, Emily, a common goal that many persons have is to better manage their finances with the end of year, and they want to save for several things. It can be a down payment on a new home, purchasing a car to go to and from work, and we know how important that is, furthering their education, or even to have capital for a new business venture. One common factor that will certainly help anybody to achieve those goals is a savings plan. And now, savings plan doesn't have to be in the form of a savings account. It can be an investment account. It can be a savings account. It can be a fixed deposit or any kind of structured saving plan. And if we think about it, from as long as most of us can remember, a savings account is a perfect financial tool to help to manage expenses. And the good thing is it accumulates interest whilst you're meeting your goal. And therefore, we want to share more with you on this today.
Right. So go ahead and share more and tell us how we can use a savings account to help with even acquiring a home, for example.
Of course. So I'm happy you asked that, Emily, because home ownership is a major aspiration for many persons, especially us as Jamaicans. You know, that is one of the most important things for us. And it is true that NCB offers mortgages with up to 100% financing and up to 40 years to repay. And those are excellent options if you ask me.
Yes.
But a deposit will definitely make your monthly payments lower and also help you with the associated costs that come to the mortgage, like the attorney's fee, the closing costs, the cost of valuation report, and the surveyor's ID, to name a few. Now, if I can go into, we have other fabulous benefits of the NCB savings account, is that you can decide how much you want to save and the frequency of the savings. And in addition to that, all of the NCB savings accounts are accessible via our online banking, and so you can access your account anytime, anywhere, and that is of tantamount importance to anybody these days.
Right, and online transfers are easy for accessing the
very
funds,
easy,
yeah?
safe and secure.
Right. What else can we do with a savings account, though, NCB savings account, apart from home ownership and so forth?
Yeah, I mentioned a number of things. Apart from home ownership, as I said, we can also use the savings account to help us to own our car. So sure, like the mortgage, purchasing a vehicle requires careful consideration because you have to ensure that you choose the right type of vehicle that fits into your budget and lifestyle needs. And therefore, you want to ensure that the acquisition of your vehicle does not create a financial burden for you and your family. So having a manageable payment, monthly payment for your auto loan, if you choose to go that route, is a must.
Yes.
But here's how a savings plan can help you. So the more you deposit when purchasing a vehicle, the lower will be the monthly loan payment.
Yes.
And to save for the deposit, you can open an NCB regular savings account. And having adequate savings will also help you to cover your insurance costs and maybe put added features on your vehicle. And we know how we like fancy vehicles here, right? So if your New Year's goal is to purchase a new vehicle, Now's the time to start saving to ensure that you have the cash on hand for these expenses.
So you have a
However,
special auto loan in the savings option?
so we do have a special auto loan in the savings option, and let me tell you a little bit more about that.
Yes.
So if you access an NCB auto loan, it comes with an additional sweetener, and as you may consider the savings option, which is linked to our auto loans.
Yes.
This option will allow you to open a savings account that puts a part of your monthly obligations
Yes.
towards future savings. That is, it's given back to you once the loan is fully repaid.
Yes.
If you take advantage of the savings option when taking the NCB auto loan, you will also receive a lower interest rate. Now, I'm sure everybody will be happy for that, Emily.
Yes. Absolutely. When it's a lower
Yeah.
interest rate, now give me an idea as to the range of the interest rate, because rates kind of moving in a little direction. No, you have the rate there?
All right, so we have our interest rate on our auto loans. It depends on the type of vehicle that you're taking, Emily. It depends on if it's a new vehicle,
Yes.
or if there's a used vehicle, or it depends on whether the customer is taking the loan from a auto dealer
Okay.
that we have a promotion with at that point in time.
Yes.
And it also depends on whether or not the customer is an existing customer and the risk rating. So
Okay.
it will be easier and better for our customers to have the individual interest rate conversations with us than
Yes.
for me to give you a range at this point in time.
Yes. So, if you want to further your education, do you have a particular savings account for that?
All right. So whilst we may not have a particular savings account for that, remember, as I say, we have savings accounts that are geared for all types of needs. What we do have for that, though, is the NCB unsecured loan, which goes up to $5 million that can be used for any legitimate purpose, including your education. And yes, we have an education loan. However, you may receive a loan to cover your tuition fees, but having the savings in your savings account or in your savings plan, whichever it may be, because it may also be a fixed deposit account, will certainly help you to cover other costs such as your books, your transportation, and your boarding costs.
Yes.
And for parents like myself, and I think you too, Emily, with a young child,
Yes.
starting a savings plan early will certainly help to push on your child's college education expenses both locally and internationally.
Good. Any different types of savings account you have?
Well,
Yes,
yes, as I alluded to before, there are quite a few different types of savings account, because at NCB we realize that there is no one size fits all. So our savings product have a wide range of options that are best suited to help our customers to achieve the goals. So I can start by talking about our NCB fixed deposit. And it's a very good product if you're saving for a specific set goal and you're risk averse.
Yes.
So with the fixed deposit, you can decide how long you save your money. It can be anywhere from 30 days to 1 year. And these funds are automatically rolled over if we do not get instructions from our customers to do otherwise. And we know that at this time of the year, persons normally receive extra money. Bonus and all, you know the thing about Emily. And this is a perfect account to help maximize their earning. So civil servants, I know that the civil servants have gotten some money. Please come on over to NCB.
Yes.
And let one of our representatives help you to choose a savings plan that will fit your needs. Civil servants, I'm asking you, please, we have the right plan for you. All right?
Yes, sir. Well
So,
marketed.
anyway, I spoke about this.
Yes.
I spoke about the fixed deposit, Emily, and there's also the regular safe account. And this is an interest-bearing account that helps you to save at your own pace. Now, we encourage persons or customers that are saving towards a goal to separate their day-to-day transaction from their savings account. And the regular safe account will help you to do this. Your transactional account will recommend you to open an NCB on-the-go account, which will now better help you with managing your day-to-day expenses whilst using your regular safe to put monies aside. So what we notice is that customers sometimes come in and they ask to open an account. We now have the conversation with the customer to find out what their needs are. Is it that you need a transaction account or you need an account to put monies aside?
Yes.
And the regular savings account it will help you. That's the one that you use to put the monies aside. The on-the-go, which is our transaction account, is better for your day-to-day activities.
Right. You have a one like a low KYC one?
Of course, definitely.
Yeah.
So we have what we call the NCB Quick Save, and that's the low KYC. And customers know KYC, don't know your customer. We need to know who we're banking. And to open this Quick Save account, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. It can be opened with just $100, a government issued ID, and a TRN. No, Emily, can't get any easier than that when you come to open an account. $100, your government issued ID, and your TRN.
Yes.
For our other type of accounts, though, we may have a little bit more requirements that we ask our customers for. Certainly, the TRN being one of the most important things, a valid identification. In some instances, we may ask our customer for 2 references, and most times than not, those 2 references is not that we ask you to get the customer to write a reference and take it to us. No, we take the names of particular persons that we use as referees.
Yes.
We ask the customer for proof of address, proof of income, and employment, and the minimum opening amount.
Okay, good. Well, I want to thank you so much for the partnership throughout the year. Thank you to the NCB for this feature. We've had quite a bit of interest in it. I want to wish you and your entire team a very, very Merry Christmas. Congratulations again to Mr. Drisdale, and just tell me if there is anything at all, Ms. McCourty Simmonds, you want to tell us on this product before we have to wrap. Anything else?
Okay, thank you, Emily, and best wishes to you and your team. And certainly, yes, I would like to say that if Jamaica's New Year's resolution is to better manage your finances, to support any kind of purchase, a savings account is the safest tool to achieve that goal. And for us, NCB, you can visit at www.jncb.com/save-more, and this will help you learn more about our savings product, or you can go to any NCB branch and speak to a representative at any of the locations that we have island-wide.
Great. Happy holidays. Thank you so much, Kerry-Ann
McCourty
Simmonds. Thank you to the entire team for the feature Inside Banking with NCB. Looking forward to the continued partnership next year. God bless you. Happy holidays.
Thank you.
All right. Take care.